Hi, this is my discussion post for scaffolds and supports for online students. So in my research, I figured out that there are some major problems with online learning and supporting students. Most of those are time management, self-motivation, issues with technology, and then a lack of computer skills. As far as the technology goes, there's not too much that can be done, but there are a lot that teachers can do to support students in overcoming the other obstacles. In order to help students with time management, one thing that teachers can do is set predictable weekly schedules. When this is done, students have a better idea of when work is due so that there's not this waiting until the last minute to complete assignments and then the assignments taking too long. If teachers are requiring that students check in on the first day that it's posted, maybe mark it as read, something like that to get those points. And then having subsequent due dates throughout the week, that can really support students. Teachers should also make sure that they are using a variety of multimedia delivery to help keep the students engaged. If it is constantly just reading text, students are going to get bored of that really quickly. So using videos, using music, using different sorts of applications can help keep students engaged. And the final thing that teachers can do to help with the lack of computer literacy skills is to set up a page of tips and tricks. These can be simple things like how to import images or how to copy and paste. Doing this will really help students to feel more comfortable, and that way they are able to overcome their lack of knowledge when it comes to computer literacy. As far as the teacher goes, roles have really changed. Teachers are no longer just in front of the class lecturing. When they're in a digital environment like this, they have to really make sure that they are engaging every single one of their learners, that they are making sure that the students are interacting with not only the teacher and the content, but their classmates as well. So in that respect, the teacher's roles are very different than in a traditional face-to-face classroom. And then here are my references.